Now, if you all up in my head and you ain't focusing on these curls, baby, that's a you problem, not me. What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn. Here we are. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. If you are interested in checking out the information for Beauty Forever, I will have a direct link to their store in the description box down below, as well as this beauty right here. At the lace, and it's a little Casper White. But yes, baby, can we take in these curls, honey? Ow, yeah.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it set back.
I will go ahead and tint the lace on this unit since I forgot to do it. And hello, headspace. Yeah, so I think we are doing pretty good with the real estate in the cap. Go ahead and come through. I am going to try my best to kind of get these swoopity swoops in place. And then, of course, we'll go ahead and diffuse this hair. And baby. So I'm just going to spray this brush right here. I'm going to go underneath the lace. Okay, are we doing a dang thing or what? Okay. I am going to use the Juvia's Place Bronze and this is the dark palette. I will be using the bottom one right here, and I'm just going to like lightly dust it. I'm not going to do anything too hard because I definitely don't want that line of demarcation, baby. We want to avoid that at all costs. Just a little bit of setting spray. So we're looking okay. I am going to pull out just a few hairs. I'm not going to use any gel or spray on the lace. However, because I am going to use it on the edges, of course it touches the lace. So I'm just using this even lace adhesive, and that's only because I don't have gel, y'all. Alright, so that's one. I'll do another one here. I'm gonna leave them as is, and I'll just use the Nairobi setting mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'll go in with the lace melt band. I'm not too much of a middle part fan. I think this looks really good. I want to see if we can actually do like a real carefree, you know, no part type of flip over. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this Curl Boss gel. I'm gonna gel down just a little bit of this. And give it a little height. Okay. Put a little bit of here. That's what it was. Okay. And just a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this lace adhesive. Okay. Okay. Now, do remember that this is a closure unit. So yes, it's not gonna look like 100% like scalp on the side, but I think this still looks really good considering that there is no lace over here. So I think this looks really good. The only thing I would change about this unit and the lace is the way they cut it. So they do have lace in front of the hairline and it's cut in a half moon shape. I would have preferred a more irregular cut. It just blends better, it's less clockable, or even better, just take off all the lace and give us the hairline if we're doing pre-cut. So if you are a beginner to units, you can definitely take this out the pack, make the baby hairs as wispy or as messy as you can, and you could definitely wear it straight out of the box. Now, if you're more of a professional or you're more into the details, what I did was I did go in with my scissors and I actually cut very small slits into the lace. I cut straight into it and then I just took those pieces off. You're seeing video of it. It's better you see it than me try to explain it. You know what I'm saying? And it actually helped disguise the lace a little bit more. I did leave some of it on the sides. Like you could see it right in the swoopity swoops. No big deal for me. If y'all up in my head, guess what? Like I said, that's a you problem, not me. Yeah, so I think this came out really good. Cap fits really nicely. The curls flipped up really good, especially with this curl boss. Do not use this even lace tint spray consistently with your units. I mean, keep in mind it is glue, you know what I'm saying? And I think this looks so dang good. Good density on her. You know, you're not going to see any tracks in the back. I did cut off some inches just to round it out. I would prefer with these curly units start giving us layers. I understand that can always be the case. The more they do to a unit, the more the price goes up. Keep that in mind. So, you know, I think once you put your touch on it, this is definitely going to be summer hair, baby. Because I'm sitting here ready for game time. Go. So yeah, big thank you to Beauty Forever for sending out the unit, direct link to this unit as well as a direct link to their storefront in the description box down below. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go, ring the bell, and of course drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.